Now, today I am going to teach you profit and loss. Profit and loss depends on cost price and selling price of any item. So, cost price CP and the selling price is SP. So, what is cost price? Cost price, amount for which we bought any article, is called cost price. जितने रुपए में हम सामान खरीद कर लाते हैं, and that is called cost price. And SP means selling price, means amount which we purchase we sell anything is called selling price. So cost price and selling price. If cost price is greater than selling price, so cost price is greater than selling price, then you will suffer from loss. Okay? When SP is greater than CP, then there is gain, or you can say profit. So gain equals to SP minus CP, and when CP is greater, there is loss. So CP minus SP. Okay? So now CP per loss percent equals to loss upon 100, loss upon CP into 100, and gain percent equals to gain into 100 upon CP. Okay, so these formulae. Now more formulae. SP equals to 100 plus gain percent, 100 plus gain percent into CP upon 100, and if there is loss, so SP equals to 100 minus loss percent into CP upon 100. Okay? Now to find CP, SP into 100 upon 100 plus gain, and if there is loss, then SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss. These are basics formulae which we are going to read in our exercise. Okay? Now next question is, find SP of cycle if Ravi bought it for rupees 1650 rupees and sold it at rupees 5% gain. Okay, so solution. First you write whatever the things are given. Gain equals to 5% and CP is rupees 1650. Okay, you have to find out SP. So SP equals to 100 plus gain percent into CP upon 100. Okay, so 100 plus 5 into 1650 upon 100. So 105 into 165 upon 10. 5 2s are 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15. So 105 into 33 upon 2. Okay. Now multiply it and divide it. 1732.5. So SP was 1732.5 rupees. So your answer is rupees 1732.5. Okay. Now next question is Rohit sales a pen at rupees 2431 and losses 6.5%. Find CP. So whatever the things are given, first you write loss is 6.5%, that is 13 by 2%. SP is rupees 2431. Now find out CP. So CP equals to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Loss is given, so minus. So SP 2431 into 100 upon 100 minus 13 by 2. So 200 minus 13, 2431 into 100 upon 200 minus 13 upon 2 whole upon, then it will become 2431 into 100 into 2 upon 187. So 2600. So cost price is 2600. So here your answer is rupees 2600. Iron for rupees 5580 and paid rupees 170 for its transportation. Then she sold it for rupees 6440. Find the gain or loss percent. Okay, so solution. CP is rupees 5580. Overhead expenses equals to rupees 170, and then she sold it for rupees 6440. Okay, so solution. Total CP. Overhead expenses means whatever the money anyone pays for transportation and for repairing. So total CP is 5580 plus 170. So 075. So it became 5750. CP SP. So gain equals to SP is greater than CP. So gain equals to SP minus CP, that is 6440 minus 5750. 0, 14 minus 5, 9, 13 minus 7, 6, 690. Okay. Now gain percent. Gain percent equals to gain into 100 upon CP. Okay. So gain is 690 into 100 upon what is total CP? Total CP is 5750. Okay. Now 0, 0, 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 5s are. So gain percent is 12%. It's your answer.